Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to check Instagram notes history. So first thing that you will do is simply open the Instagram application. And guys, remember that you have to have the latest version of the app. And now, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And in order for you to check the Instagram notes history, just simply go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go to your activity. And from here on the activity tab, you should be able to see here notes. So just simply tap on notes. And from here, guys, as you can see, this is what I shared on my notes. And I should be able to see here the history of the notes. And at the top, you can filter it out by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. And you can sort it out as well by date. You can go for past year, past month. So it will be depending on you. And from here, you should be able to check your Instagram notes history. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.